Reporting to you live from New York City. It's Lucas. It's Lucas Henderson. There it is. You see the Empire State Building. It's Lucas Henderson. This is an introduction to me. I love communication. I think it is a core practice of living. It's good for any field you want to go into, but I especially love it, and that's why I am a comm major. So I'm really excited to see what this course teaches me. But to jump into a little bit more about me, I'm from Thornton, Colorado. I am a Colorado boy through and through. I'm a gym goer as well. I've been going for about 3 years consistently. I love it. It keeps me sane. I'm a movie buff as well. This is Malcolm X. It's one of my favorite movies of all time. It's starring Denzel Washington. He gives an Oscar-worthy performance. It's also a Spike Lee joint. Great director. This is one of my favorite movies of all time, if I didn't already mention that. And maybe my core personality trait, I am a lover of Mexican food. And luckily, in Colorado, we have some of the best Mexican food. And if you're not from Colorado, go to Santiago's. I don't know if you've heard of it, but get their breakfast burritos. Stop wasting your time. Just drop everything you're doing right now. Close this video. I don't care. Get a breakfast burrito. My career goals entail building this YouTube channel I have with some of my best friends right now. The YouTube channel is called The Wilkins Brothers. We're on YouTube. If you feel so inclined, go check us out, but no hard feelings otherwise. But yeah, I want to live off of making these videos with them. This is one of my biggest passions. I want to ride it till the wheels fall off, and we just got to keep staying consistent. So what I hope to learn, I want to gain respect in a business setting through developed communication, hopefully through this course. Thankfully, we just got our first sponsorship with the YouTube channel, and we still have a very long way to go. It almost feels like imposter syndrome, but we still have a very long way to go. But if there's further deals in the future, I want to be able to eloquently communicate with business people to be able to hopefully live off of my passion. And kind of hinted at this a little bit with my last answer, but become more succinct and eloquent with my communication. This is a practice even outside of the business setting. This will be helpful with communicating with friends, family, to get an answer across more quickly, more efficiently, or even somebody that I'm just meeting. And yeah, so even outside of a business setting, I hope to employ these tactics that we learned in this class. Thank you so much for listening, and I'm excited to learn about you all.